She's already doing the things. Morjesta kahvakuula. So what were you playing, Loserfruit? Are you still playing the Fortnites? Thank you so much for the host. And everybody coming in from Loserfruit's channel, we are just starting out here on Twitch. We have been doing this for a few weeks. They still say that it's off. Maybe the receiver died?
I have to check this. Unstock something. Yeah, something is definitely. It's something there.
Thank you guys for letting us know. Call of Duty, oh no, the new Call of Duty.
Say something.
Hey, what is going on?
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
Hey.
Because full batteries.
Is the receiver dead?
No.
No?
Which one is Anne? It's the one that goes into two. I think it's this, maybe. No, I am those. So.
This or this?
Hey,
Now it's back.
Okay,
I
thank
think
you
there
guys.
was something wrong with that.
Yeah, something loose.
Something was loose.
Yeah.
It's actually really weird, Loserfruit, because we were just crushing fruits here. Apple and orange juices and everything.
But
No, tippu tonne.
And then you hosted us. How was the Call of Duty? You like it? Thank you, moderators and friends, for letting us know about the microphone.
I have been thinking about buying the Call of Duty. Is it completely different to play than the newest Battlefield? If I'm good at Battlefield, can I manage with the Call of Duty?
Yeah, actually a lot of people have said that it's a lot like Battlefield now, from what I heard. And Antti was playing it a lot. I was actually watching Antti play for a little while.
Yeah, because it was super hard because I haven't played like shooters in like 3 years. And then I started with the Battlefield and I was so bad. I had to do like 2 hours of like target practice to hit anything. But now I can like manage it.
Guys, if you are not following Miss Loserfruit, she's a very, very friendly and fun community to be around with. So if you're looking for new people to watch, she's right there on the chat now. Click on the link, click on her name, and maybe give her a follow. She was gracious enough and kind enough to hit us with the host, so thank you. And we always have to return the favor in that, man. So please go follow her as well if you're looking for new people to watch. And I think we all are always looking for new people to watch, so. So definitely check her out. But don't be, all you men, don't be freaks. Don't be creeps, okay? Because her moderating crew will get rid of you real quick, so behave.
And this is super slow to raise and lower the table compared to big press. Because I have to use the like pressing cylinder and it has 2 short strokes, so I have to do it like multiple times.
See you later, Sari. Thank you for hanging out again today. Thank you.